What's up, Pyros? This is Pyro Ronnie. We back with another episode of unboxing of some of my stash. This is another case we got here. We got a 200 grammer today, and this 200 grammer comes 12-1 in a case, and it's a Shogun cake, and it's a pretty good size 200 gram cake too. See, today we're going to be unboxing Stars, Stripes, and Solids. Yes, sir. By Shogun. There it is, 12-1. And this is a heavy little box. Heavy little box. This is the best way to describe it. All right, so let's get our handy dandy box shank. All right, there it is. Let's start here and get her opened up. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Looks like we did the job. So, what do we got here? Move it up a little bit. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. This package pretty cool. Look at that. How it's packaged, guys. We've got a triangle cake. Interesting. Nice. Look at that. Stars, Stripes, and Solids. It's a 15 shot, 200 gram cake. Yep. Check it out. Let's see what the performance looks like on this cake here. Here we go. We got some visuals. So we got red tails shoot up, red strobe stars, and brocade crowns. Green tails shoot up, green strobe stars, and brocade crown stars. So silver tails shoot up, white strobe star, and brocade crown star. And purple tails shoot up, purple star, and silver time rain star. Oh yeah, baby. If you want to see, there's that QR code of the performance. Just pause that. Pyro Ronnie is in the show. Performance summary, there it is. Straight up aerial. 15 shots. The colors in this is red, green, purple, white, and silver. Effects are color rising ball. Oh, color rising tails. Let's get a little closer. Color and strobe bombards, brocade crowns, crackling heavy bursts, 22-second average each cake. There it is. Solid stars and stripes, stripes and solids, you guys. And it's a pretty hefty cake, man. Check it out. Pretty hefty cake. Heavy too. So if you guys get this one, make sure you secure it pretty well before you shoot it off. And there it is. Solid stars and, I'm sorry, I keep getting it wrong. Stars, stripes, and solids. Man, forget this. Pyro Ronnie, I'm out.